So it's called George Floyd, Incantation, written in 2020. Have you no humanity, neither any shame, smirking over my body in a kind of game? The godless are yet among us. What the devil have you done? Allow me to explain to you how justice will be won. You'll never be free of me. You cannot hide any place. For so long as you have a knee, you will also have my face, staring at you from beyond everywhere you dare to turn, waiting for you to cross over to show you what you've earned. Until then, a thing unknown will come upon you unaware, and you'll get a quiet feeling that it's me standing there. Forever bigger and stronger, eternally the better man. With my spirit soaring free, now catch me if you can. I could not breathe, and you'll never rest, outnumbered by visions, outgunned by regrets. You'll never live it down, no matter what you believe. I'll always be around. There is no reprieve. There is no repentance that spares you my ghost. I am your life sentence, and I'm doing the most. You thought it was over with my head to the ground and your hand in your pocket, but I'll never back down. As long as you breathe like I couldn't, I will keep standing up like you wouldn't, looming large in your head where I'm always awake. In exchange for my years, your peace of mind I will take. Every moment you have, I will confront you. You'll be able to breathe, but you won't want to. When you cry out for help, when you want to get up, you'll be pinned to your deeds with no such luck. If you seek forgiveness, perhaps you should beg, like I did when my neck was under your leg. People might hear you, nothing they can do, once the ancestors have you in plain view. God bless your heart against the undead. Spirits in high places, stand me in good stead. On righteous wings, carried with the wind, everywhere at once and without end. Against my bound hands did you raise your sword, but vengeance is mine, saith the Lord. You neither saw nor heard that last breath I swallowed, and you missed it when you got up and I followed.
Oh, that's very, very powerful. And let me just say thank you so much for sharing those three wonderful poems.
You're welcome.
Yeah, awesome.
Thank
The
you.
museum is very fortunate because you bring to it so much. In addition to the administrative part of it, you have this, I think, artistic sensibility that comes from being an artist yourself. So I think that's fantastic. Thank you.